Here we have a question. Solve y minus x into dy by dx equals to a into y square plus dy by dx. We can solve this equation by variable supplement method. We can write this expression as y minus x into dy by dx equals to a into y square plus a into dy by dx. Here we have two dy by dx terms and two constants. So we have to take dy by dx one side and constants terms at one side. So then we can write as minus x into dy by dx minus into a into dy by dx equals to a into y square minus y. So now we have to take common here dy by dx because we have two terms, and here we can take common as y. Then we get minus of dy by dx into x plus a equals to y into ay minus 1. So now here this term is in the form of x and this are y. So now we have to take dy terms at one side and dx terms at one side. Then we can write this equation as minus of dy by y into ay minus 1 equals to dx by x plus a. Now we have to integrate these two terms. Then we can integrate this term, integration of dx by x plus a. We have the direct formula, but here we have two terms of y. So now we have to apply partial fraction here. So now then we can solve this as minus of y into ay minus 1 equals to, we can take some constant a by y plus b by ay minus 1. Now we have to add these two terms. Then we get 1 by y into ay minus 1 equals to a into ay minus 1 plus by by y into ay minus 1. Here denominators are same. Then we can cancel here. Then here we left 1 equals to a into ay minus a. Here we are doing direct multiplication plus by. This then 1 equals to, here we have y terms 2. So we can take y as common. Then we get a into a plus b minus a. So here we have to compare on both sides. If we compare this, here we have constant minus a, and this side we have only 1. So we can take this as 1 equals to minus a. Then we get a value as minus 1. Here we have y terms, but at this side we doesn't contain y terms. So we can take this as a into a plus b equals to 0. Here we already get a value, capital A value equals to minus 1. Here we can substitute that value, minus a into plus b equals to 0. Then the b value equals to a. Here we get a value and b value. Then we can substitute a b value here. Then we get 1 by 5 into ay minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 5 plus a by ay minus 1. Here we substituting a value and b value here, because these terms are equal to this term. Then we get here this term. So to integrate this term, we can substitute these values instead of this. Then here we directly integrate this. Here we have minus, so we can write this outside. Minus of integration, here we have terms minus 1 by y plus a by a minus 1, ay minus 1. Here minus 1 by y plus a by ay minus 1 into, here we have dy. We are integrating with respect to y, and here the term is same, integration of dx by x plus a. Now here we can write minus as same. By integrating minus 1 by y, we get minus log y plus, here we have integration of a by ay minus 1 into dy. This is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. By integrating ay minus 1, we get a. So we can write this as log of f of x. Here f of x is nothing but ay minus 1. So we can write log of ay minus 1 equals to, here we have integration of 1 by x plus a into dy. So we can write this as log of x plus a. For these integrations, we doesn't contain limits, so we have to take constant as log of c. Generally we take orbital constant as c, but here we have all terms containing log, so we can take here log c to simplify the equation. Then by multiplying minus with the whole term, we get here log y minus log of ay minus 1 equals to log x plus a plus log c. Here now we are taking all term. Now we are converting these two terms as single term and these two terms as single term by logarithm properties. This is in the form of log a minus log b. We know that log a minus log b equals to log a by b. So we can write these as log y by ay minus 1 equals to, and these two terms in the form of log a plus log b. So we know that log a plus log b equals to log ab. Then we can write this as log x plus a into c. Here we have two terms log. So we can cancel the log and we're left with the variables y by ay minus 1 equals to x plus a into c. We can simplify this as y equal to x plus a into ay minus 1 into c. So this is the final answer we get for the given question.